Welcome to Brazil, a country bursting with energy, rich culture, and breathtaking natural wonders. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 top places to visit in Brazil. From the iconic beaches of Rio de Janeiro to the lush Amazon rainforest, each destination tells a story that reflects Brazil's unique heritage. Let's dive into this vibrant adventure. 10. Brasília. Kicking off our countdown is Brasília, the futuristic capital of Brazil. Designed by architect Oscar Niemeyer, this city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its modernist architecture and spacious urban layout. Visit the stunning Cathedral of Brasília and the National Congress, where you can appreciate the innovative design and urban planning that makes this city unique. 9. Salvador. Next up is Salvador, a city rich in Afro-Brazilian culture and vibrant history. The historic Pelourinho district, with its colorful colonial buildings, is a UNESCO site filled with music, dance, and delicious local cuisine. Experience the rhythms of samba and axe, and don't miss the electrifying carnival celebrations that draw visitors from around the world. 8. Rio de Janeiro. No visit to Brazil is complete without exploring Rio de Janeiro. This vibrant city, often referred to as the Marvelous City, is a place where natural beauty and urban life blend seamlessly. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its energy and charm. Famous for its stunning beaches like Copacabana and Ipanema, Rio offers a perfect escape for sunseekers and water enthusiasts. These beaches are not just places to relax, they are cultural landmarks where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the sun, surf, and sand. Rio also boasts the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Standing tall atop the Corcovado mountain, this colossal statue offers a panoramic view of the city and is a symbol of peace and welcoming. Take the cable car up to Sugarloaf Mountain for breathtaking views of the city and its beautiful coastline. The journey itself is an adventure, offering a unique perspective of Rio's stunning landscape from its lush forests to its sparkling waters. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of this cultural hub, where every corner is filled with the sounds of music and the sights of vibrant street art. The street markets are a treasure trove of local crafts, delicious food, and unique souvenirs. Where samba music fills the air, the rhythm of samba is the heartbeat of Rio, and you can experience it firsthand at the many street parties and festivals that take place throughout the year. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or just looking to enjoy the show, the infectious energy of samba will have you moving to the beat in no time. 7. Foz do Iguaçu. Home to one of the largest and most spectacular waterfalls in the world, Foz do Iguaçu is a must-see destination. Visit the Iguaçu National Park, where you can witness the breathtaking power of the falls up close. Take a boat tour that brings you right under the cascading water for an unforgettable experience. 6. Pantanal. The Pantanal is the world's largest tropical wetland and a paradise for wildlife lovers. Here you can spot caimans, capybaras, and a wide variety of bird species. Explore the lush landscapes on guided safaris, where you can immerse yourself in the rich biodiversity that makes this region so special. 5. Ouro Preto. This historic mining town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved colonial architecture and Baroque churches. Wander through Ouro Preto's cobbled streets and visit the beautiful Igreja de São Francisco de Assis, adorned with stunning artwork. Learn about the gold rush that shaped this town's history and enjoy the vibrant local arts scene. 4. Chapada Diamantina. A stunning national park in the heart of Bahia, Chapada Diamantina offers breathtaking landscapes, waterfalls, and hiking opportunities. Hike to the iconic Fumaca Falls for panoramic views, explore the mesmerizing caves, and take a refreshing dip in natural pools. It's an outdoor lover's paradise. 3. Jericoacoara. Known for its stunning sunsets and laid-back vibe, Jericoacoara is a coastal gem. This beach town offers incredible opportunities for kite surfing and windsurfing, making it a hotspot for water sports enthusiasts. Explore the nearby sand dunes and relax on the beautiful beaches, soaking in the tropical atmosphere. 2. Fernando de Noronha. An archipelago known for its pristine beauty and rich marine life, Fernando de Noronha is a true paradise. With crystal-clear waters and incredible snorkeling opportunities, it's a dream destination for beach lovers. Explore its lush landscapes and make sure to respect the conservation efforts that protect this unique environment. Finally, topping our list is the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, it is a natural wonder that stretches across 9 countries in South America, with the majority of it located in Brazil. This incredible ecosystem is teeming with biodiversity, housing an estimated 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. The Amazon is home to 1 in 10 known species on Earth, making it a crucial area for global biodiversity, and offers countless opportunities for exploration. From hiking through dense jungle trails to navigating the winding rivers by boat, the Amazon provides a myriad of ways to immerse yourself in its natural beauty. Take guided tours to learn about the unique flora and fauna, where expert guides share their knowledge about the intricate relationships within this ecosystem. You might even spot some of the Amazon's most iconic wildlife, such as jaguars, sloths, and pink river dolphins, and meet indigenous communities who call this vibrant region home. These communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries, and their traditional knowledge and cultural practices offer invaluable insights into sustainable living. The Amazon is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that offers not just adventure, but also a deep connection to nature and culture. Whether you're seeking thrills or tranquility, the Amazon has something for everyone. That truly embodies the spirit of Brazil. The Amazon rainforest is not just a destination, it's a journey into the heart of our planet's most vital and vibrant ecosystem. And there you have it, our countdown of the 10 top places to visit in Brazil. Each destination showcases Brazil's diverse culture, stunning landscapes, and rich history, making it a must-visit for every traveler. If you're planning your trip to Brazil, here's a recommended itinerary to make the most of your visit. This itinerary covers a diverse range of experiences, from vibrant cities to breathtaking natural wonders. Day 1 to 2. Start your journey in the iconic city of Rio de Janeiro. Visit the world-famous Christ the Redeemer statue, take a cable car up to Sugarloaf Mountain for stunning views, and relax on the sandy shores of Copacabana Beach. Don't forget to explore the lively neighborhoods and enjoy the local cuisine. Day 3. Head to Foz do Iguaçu to witness the majestic Iguazu Falls. Spend the day exploring the various viewpoints and trails that offer panoramic views of the waterfalls. The sheer power and beauty of the falls will leave you in awe. Day 4 to 5. Next, venture into the Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland. This is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts, with opportunities to see jaguars, capybaras, and a variety of bird species. Then on day 6, fly to Salvador, a city rich in Afro-Brazilian culture. Explore the historic Pelourinho neighborhood with its colorful colonial buildings and vibrant street life. Day 7. Travel to Ouro Preto, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved colonial architecture. Wander through the cobblestone streets, visit the ornate churches, and learn about the town's gold mining history. Day 8. Spend the day exploring Chapada Diamantina National Park, a haven for hikers and nature lovers. Discover its stunning waterfalls, caves, and plateaus. On day 9, head to Jericoacoara, a remote beach town known for its pristine beaches and towering sand dunes. It's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the natural beauty. Day 10 to 11, fly to the archipelago of Fernando de Noronha, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Spend your days snorkeling, diving, and exploring the island's beautiful beaches. The marine life here is incredible, with opportunities to see dolphins, sea turtles, and colorful fish. Day 12 to 13, visit Brasília, the modernist capital of Brazil. Marvel at the city's unique architecture, designed by Oscar Niemeyer, and visit landmarks such as the Congresso National Building and the Cathedral of Brasília. Day 14, conclude your trip in São Paulo, Brazil's largest city. Explore the bustling Avenida Paulista, visit world-class museums, and enjoy the vibrant nightlife. São Paulo's diverse culinary scene is also a highlight, offering a range of international and Brazilian cuisine. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Brazil. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Brazilian destinations in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.